Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting with the essentials. Confirm you are an admin on the Google Pay business profile and have the new bank details and verification docs ready. Once done, open Google Pay for Business and go to Payment Settings. Make sure two-factor authentication is active. Next, locate Bank Account or Payout section and tap Edit or Add Bank Account. These first actions prevent delays because Google requires admin rights and matching legal documents before accepting any bank change. You'll now input the new bank information precisely. Choose Add Bank Account, pick checking or savings, and type the routing and account numbers slowly to avoid transposition errors. After entering details, upload a recent bank statement or voided check and any requested business ID. Google uses these to match legal names. Once uploaded, confirm and submit. Google may place a microdeposit to verify. Keep your admin email open for verification prompts and status updates. You finish by verifying the account. If Google used microdeposits, check your bank for the too small amounts and enter them in Google Pay within 48 hours. If instant verification is available, follow the bank login flow. Once verified, set the new account as your primary payout method and optionally remove the old account. If verification fails, make sure the business name exactly matches bank records, re-upload clearer docs, or contact support for a manual review. This solves most issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.